Alright, let's check it out, peeps. Signal time. Keys. Oh, keys. I take it Nate has the keys. Woo! Alright. Boom. Bam, that's what I'm talking about. Alright, that should solve that turn signal issue.
That's wild.
Alright, turn signal issue is addressed. Time to put it all back together, tape off the excess wire, and bada bing, bada boom. Peeps, alright, take your skills, help family, friends, neighbors, strangers solve their problems. More importantly, go find your walk with Yeshua. You never know when you're going to take your last breath.